लेकिन आपको सुनाई नहीं दे रहा, समझ नहीं आ रहा कि पटाखे एक दिन की कहानी है, रोज की कहानी कौन सी है? शहजाद पूनावाला, इज दिस डेलिबरेट ब्लाइंडनेस?
मेरी बात पूरी हो जाने दीजिए। मैंने कहा कि कल दिन की बात जो थी और आज सुबह में जिस तरह की स्थिति है, दोनों में अंतर क्यों है, ये बात लोगों को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है क्या?
नाविका जी, नाविका जी, कुछ तथ्यात्मक आंकड़े रखना बेहद जरूरी है। देखिए, पहले तो हवा की स्थिति इसलिए ठीक हुई थी क्योंकि बरसात हुई थी, तो भगवान भरोसे वो ठीक हुआ। दूसरी बात, मैं आपको आज आंकड़ों के साथ, क्योंकि विमलेंदु और आनंद रंगनाथन जैसे लोग बैठे हैं पैनल पर, उनको बहकाया नहीं जा सकता। 8 बजे कल रात को पटाखे जलने शुरू हुए आनंद विहार में। AQI 286 8 बजे, 10 बजे 294, 12 बजे 300, 2 बजे सुबह 291, 8 बजे 312। ओवरऑल AQI इंडेक्स जो अभी मुनि जी ने बताया 303। पिछले सप्ताह ये AQI आनंद विहार का उठा लो 450 से ऊपर था, तब कौन से पटाखे थे? दूसरी बात मैं पूछना चाहता हूं, विमलेंदु जी ने एक बहुत सही बात कही कि माई राइट टू ब्रीथ इज बेटर देन माई इंपॉर्टेंट देन माई राइट टू रिलीजन। बहुत अच्छी बात है। पेड़ कटने से भी तो वायु प्रदूषण होता है ना, तो फिर पेड़ कटना बंद करना चाहिए दिसंबर के एक त्योहार पे। और मुझे बताइए कि एनिमल सैक्रिफाइस से GHG भी बढ़ता है ना, ग्रीन हाउस गैस एमिशन, तो फिर दूसरे का पर्व आता है जहां पर एनिमल सैक्रिफाइस होता है, वो भी बंद करवाते हैं ना। मैं ठीक, इफ वी आर स्टॉपिंग ऑल द फेस्टिवल्स का एनवायरमेंटली डेंजरस प्रैक्टिसेस, आई एम फॉर इट। पर पूरे दिन दिल्ली का पोल्यूशन, जिसका मेन कॉज विमलेंदु ने बताया कि पोल्यूशन है, डस्ट है, वेहिकुलर है, पराली है, उसको निचोड़कर केवल क्रैकर्स को टारगेट करना, और वो भी क्रैकर्स को कब? केवल दिवाली के एक दिन के क्रैकर को। भाई, न्यू ईयर के क्रैकर क्या है? नॉन पोल्यूटिंग है क्या?
Fair point, Tehseen Poonawalla. You can't argue with that logic because there are many factors that lead to pollution. Only targeting crackers, where it has been proven that in 12 hours it dissipates. It should not be done. People who feel strongly about that are not doing it, but some people want to do it. But the fact is that is very little part of the actual pollution. Why does everything boil down to only the cracker part is a logical question raised by Shehzad. Do you think, Akashdeep Muni, it is really only owing to the cracker ban that the entire pollution is resulting from?
No, I don't think that it is only the crackers that contributing. Even I consider that, yes, Parali is contributing to the pollution. But one point I just want to make, one figure I take from Anand Ranganathan's book. 24,000 he saying till date was the Punjab Parali burning figure. I agree with him. Okay, fine. I have not checked it, I'll agree. 81,000 was in 2016 when Bharatiya Janata Party was in power in Punjab. So it has come down how many times? 4 times down. It means that 75 to 80% down in after Aam Aadmi Party came into power. Okay, नहीं 81,000 था कि नहीं था? नहीं, 1 second नहीं, 81,000 था कि नहीं था?
Counters coming in. Akashdeep Muni, you stepped on a landmine. Anand Ranganathan first and then Shehzad. I'm coming to you. Anand Ranganathan. Anand Ranganathan, why are you throwing a handbag at the camera?
That's the only way I can bribe you to please give me 30 seconds time, Navika. No,
I'm above bribes, sir. Try it with a politician next time.
Acha, theek hai. I'll try Gucci shoes next time. No, Navika, there are 2 points here. My good friend, no, I don't think my good friend, what Dr. Muni has said, deserves any response. So I will not, if he doesn't mind. But what Mr. Vimlendu, my good friend, said actually deserves a very important response. And I think here, I completely agree with Shehzad. We should not have any hypocrisy when it comes to anything related to any festival of any one particular religion. I agree with him. But Vimlendu has said something else. What Vimlendu has said, I want to reiterate with figures. 35 million tons of parali is burnt in Punjab and Haryana every year. But do you know overall in India, Navika, what the figure is? In that month, 98 million tons. So center has to come in. 54% of all carbon dioxide emissions from all Indian transport, 54% is equivalent to what parali is burnt in a month. And we are trying to save the planet by saying that diesel से petrol पे जाओगे, BS4 पे जाओगे, एक महीने में 54% हमने उसका कबाड़ा कर दिया. Who is responsible?
Shehzad,
respond. Responsible.
Shehzad Poonawalla, respond.
Yeah.
Center is also responsible.
Yes. Now, first of all, let me tell you this figure of the incidence of Parali coming down in Punjab vis-a-vis 2016, that is a misnomer because the area in which the farm fires are burning has not come down. That's why Kejriwal government in Punjab does not give the area under fire. It gives the incidence. मतलब कि पहले 40,000 हुए, अब 24,000 हुए, तो देखिए हमने कितनी बड़ी उपलब्धि की. पर भाई 24,000 में ज्यादा एरिया बर्न कर रहे हो, इसीलिए आज स्थिति विकट है. दूसरी बात, आनंद जी knows that while this is an issue across the country, the Parali burning, but this is strictly a state subject. So the center has a very limited way to intervene in this, and therefore we, as the center, let me tell you what we have done and what we could do. We have advised all the states to purchase the machines. We have given them funding, especially to Punjab and to Haryana. Haryana is contributing hardly 1,000 incidents. Punjab is contributing much more. We have given them 1,300 crore rupees. Apart from that, in Delhi, we have taken the green cover up from 10% to 23%. We have built the metro. We have built the Eastern-Western Peripheral Expressway. The CAQM is our giving, which has now implemented GRAB4. All of this center is doing. Delhi government is not doing it. And Punjab government or all the other governments should tell us agriculture is a state subject. What are they doing about Parali? What are they doing about changing crop patterns? Why are they cultivating a crop that absorbs so much water and then
all right, hands going up again.